The South African Air Force is officially an octogenarian, and it is using one of its oldest aircraft to celebrate its 80th anniversary. Gerard van Niekerk took to the skies in it.
When Sergeant Major Henry James Pottie retired from the Air Force a few years ago, he couldn't bear the idea of leaving his beloved aircraft behind. So he decided to take the Shackleton bomber under his own wing, and he gave it a new name.
I don't know how many guys believe me, but I always tell them I can show the aircraft to them if they want to see the aircraft. I can show them. I've got one of the biggest bombers in South Africa that belongs to me because it's called Pottie's private bomber.
Built in 1949, this is the only Mark III Shackleton in the world still flying. With contra-rotating propellers and powered by 4 Rolls-Royce Griffin engines, it's nicknamed the Growler because of the distinctive sound it makes. Used mainly for maritime patrol and coastal reconnaissance, the Shackletons were retired from the South African Air Force in 1984. But Pottie and the ground crew at 35 Squadron restored the Shackleton to its former glory, and now it flies only at special occasions. It'll take to the skies on Saturday for the Eysterplaat airshow. Gerard van Niekerk, E-News, Cape Town.